right, good morning everybody. So we are here at Whitewater Lake, end of September, and as you can see, we have the whole place to ourselves for the moment. The weather is supposed to be overcast and get a little windy, but don't think there's gonna be any rain or thunderstorms coming. Got the John boat out. Wanted to run all the gas out of my little motor for the year, so I probably won't be using that anymore. So if I do go out, I'll probably be hitting smaller lakes where I can just use my trolling motor on for my John boat or take the kayak. So it's that time of year. I'm gonna be throwing around a spinnerbait this morning. You know, there's some good, decent sized pike in this lake. Usually pretty active this time of year. Haven't had a whole lot of luck at all this year. It's been my 4th time on this lake and haven't had any luck really this year on it. So hopefully today, I don't know, it's hit or miss sometimes. So hopefully today we got a little bit of luck and maybe got some decent sized pike, a bass or two. But I'm gonna be focusing on that spinnerbait. So I'm gonna get on the boat, start up the motor, and head out to the first spot. So hopefully stay tuned. All right guys, I think this is gonna be our first spot this morning. Like I said, I'm gonna be throwing some spinnerbaits today. It's not as windy as I thought it was gonna be at the moment, but it's supposed to get windier as the day goes on. But right now I'm gonna have the double willow blade. I don't have a huge selection of spinnerbaits, but I got a few. I don't have a good willow blade, Colorado blade combo, but I'm gonna start out with this. Got the trailer hook on there. This one actually I think is a Strike King, so it actually came with the trailer hook already attached. But Chartreuse white's a pretty good color for this area. Got a 15-pound fluorocarbon. I think it's Stren's fluorocarbon. And my Fluger Supreme bait caster, which they do not make anymore. And I'm throwing it on my 6/8 medium fast action Shimano Celis rod. So just start out with this and see if we can get one on the line. There's one. Yes, finally. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, bass, bass, bass. Nice one too. Shoot, got my net. That was dumb. Oh, I got you. All right. Oh. Finally, a little bass spinnerbait. Spinnerbait bass, whatever you want to say. Good one too. This might be the biggest bass I've caught out of this lake. Look at you, buddy. Look at you. There we go. Not bad. One of the nicer ones I've caught out of this lake, I'll say. Been working this whole shoreline here, and thought it'd be windier, but the wind is pushing me actually pretty nicely, nice and slow down this shoreline. I'm just using my trolling motor so I don't drift too far out, but finally got one in the boat. Nice. See if I can catch some of your buddies. There he goes. It's gonna flip. Cool. Drop my net in the water, see if I can get this untangled. Get back out there. Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. Brought my big net today. in case I need it for a pike. I just gotta get the blade untangled. There we go. All right, cool. And the double willow blade chartreuse. See if we can catch another one on this. I'll take that all day though. Right at the boat. Come on, dude. We'll net you. We'll net you, don't worry. There we go. That would get you good, didn't we? Pliers out. I'm gonna put you back in. Where do we get you? Now look at you. Come on. Chill out, dude. There we go. All right. Tore my spinnerbait, but little snake. Not as big as some of them in here, but hit that guy right at the boat. Got the hook out pretty easily. Not too bad. You never know with these guys. Let them go. Is that 18 inches, maybe 20? There he goes. All right, fish number 2. Different species. They get a lot bigger than that in here, I know. I know last year, by this laydown right here, around this time, they were getting a lot of bites, so hopefully they're over here again. But he actually came from over here, so you never know. These duck hunters are going nuts over here, though. All right, let's see if we can grab another one with the spinner. I don't think he messed it up too bad. Took a little piece of rubber off my skirt, but my trailer hook's a little messed up. All right. It's a bad thing about catching them by the boat like that. They don't have a whole lot of time to tire themselves out. So, all righty. Yeah, blowing us the wrong freaking way, man. There's the boat again. Same size though. Another pike. Same size. Get in the net. It's gonna flop. All right. Let's get it unhooked. Hopefully. You hooked. Main hook. fishing, buddy? What the net's for? All right. Settle down. Settle down. Get you going the other way. There we go. Come on. Hey. Maybe a little bit bigger. There we go. And he's about the same size as the other one. Right at the boat again. Followed it all the way back. Let me switch out that spinnerbait. And he's off. All right, fish number 3. The weather is not doing what it said it was going to be doing. For one, the wind is not here. 2, it's coming from that direction. It's supposed to be coming from that direction. It said southwest. That's west and that's south. So I don't know. And the sun's out now. It's supposed to be overcast. So anyway, got another fish on the boat. Not a big one, but it's something on a little spinnerbait. Might switch this out to a different style, but it's working so far. So might have to retie though, maybe. Might be a good idea, but all right, let's see if we can get another one. Oh, a little fish was nibbling at it. I felt some bumping. Yep, there's one. Oh, they're out in the middle, man. That's got to be. Oh, that's a bass. That's a nice bass too. Well, I think I might have found him. Get in there. All right, another good bass. Nice. Easy, easy, easy. All right. Well, not a great bass, but they are definitely in the middle. So, caught that pike. Next cast after that, little guy was nibbling at it, and then this guy casting right down the middle of this. So we might have to stay here for a little bit. Sweet. Another bass, decent bass. There he goes. I think he bent out my hook a little, my spinner a little bit, yeah. So you can bend this guy back. Well, maybe we did find him, finally. See if we can get another one. Get the slime from that pike still on my hands. There's one. Another one. Oh yeah, they're out here, man. Oh, that's a bass. Another bass. Another good bass too. Well, not great, but not bad. That's decent. I'm just saying decent because this lake, this is probably the biggest I've caught before today. Cool. Ah, whoa. About to fall over. Cool. Got him with both hooks. Both hooks. Ow. Got myself with the hook too. Come on. Oh man, I'm bleeding too. Come on. Well, get this one out first. And I'm gonna need the pliers. You weren't going anywhere, dude. Ah, there we go. Thought I needed to get that one out. And I got him again. There. Cool. Bass number 3. Thought it was better than that, but I'll take it. Ooh. Yep, they're out here. I think I'm gonna throw the spot lock down. Stick in this spot for a little bit. Because I think I found them. That's a pike. It's gotta be. Let's fight that one. It's not trying to shake. Yeah, that's a pike. Another pike. And barely hooked too. Same size as all the others. Get out of there. I'm gonna let you go, dude. This one might be a little bit bigger. I don't know. All right. Be a little bit bigger. I don't know. It's about the same size, though. Come on. Okay, this guy doesn't want to cooperate. Gotta shake. All right, same size as all the others. Oh man. So we had a drastic change in the weather in the last like 10-15 minutes. Sun was out, it was calmer, now the wind's picked up and it's overcast, so I don't know. It feels a little bit cooler too, so I don't know if that's gonna affect the bite or not, but let this guy go. There he goes. But I also did switch out my spinnerbait to a single Colorado blade. Still got that trailer hook though on there, but again, casted right down the middle on that one and got him to bite. So I don't know. We'll see how the weather holds up, and I don't know. It might be good, it might be bad. So I'll have to wait and find out. All right, guys. So still throwing this single Colorado blade. Got the one pike on it. Bought these trailer hooks myself and put them on there. I don't know if I even took a little piece of tubing that comes with the hook and cut it and slipped it on. But the thing about the Colorado blades and the double and the single Colorado blades is you can really feel it vibrate out there. So I switched it up just to give them a little change of scenery out there. But produced one fish. Came way back here. It's real shallow back here. I don't know if they are back here. It's kind of weird. I don't know what they're doing. The majority of the ones I caught were in like 10 feet of water probably. So you would think they'd be shallower this time of year, but you just never know. But I'm gonna throw around the single blade. Get a little bit more thumping sound going. See if we can get one to bite. This weather's crazy though. The sun's coming out again over there, but then it's overcast, and then it's windy, and it's not windy. Weird though, but the fish are biting for the most part, so it's good. But see if we can get a few more to bite. I would like a big pike. Would be cool. I haven't caught a decent sized pike in a while, so. But I'd take a few bass too. All right, guys, so as you can see, it is now raining. It rained pretty good on me for a while there, but the fishing kind of shut off. But the spinnerbait did pretty well. It's a good bait this time of year to catch some fish on. Didn't catch any giants. I was going for a big pike, but landed a few smaller ones and a couple of decent bass, so not a bad day. I actually caught more fish on this lake today than I did total all year long, the 3 or 4 times I came here to fish it. So not too disappointed in how it turned out today. So we got a little bit of time left here in Wisconsin before snow starts flying and the fish stop biting. So October, I'm gonna still try and get out here as much as I can. It's either hit or miss October sometimes, but the weather's getting cool, real cool already. So, but the good thing is bow season started last weekend, so I'm gonna be able to start getting out there and seeing if I can shoot myself a deer or two, and hopefully I can get some good content on that too this year. Passed up on a lot of deer last year, and I ended up not shooting one. So this year I'm looking to fill the freezer up, so hopefully we have a little bit more luck. But anyway, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, give me that subscribe and thumbs up maybe. And yeah, go check out some other videos, and hopefully you stay tuned. And we got a few more fishing ones before it starts to get too cold out. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.